Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to elevate your IT career and gain hands-on skills in the most in-demand technologies? For a limited time, Nutanix is offering an exclusive fast-track promotion to help you accelerate your Nutanix certification journey. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills or pursue a career in cloud infrastructure, this is your opportunity to gain expertise needed to thrive in today's tech-driven world. You should opt for this. This special promotion is designed for IT professionals looking to advance their careers with cutting-edge cloud solutions, system administrators, engineers, and architects eager to master multi-cloud environments and hyper-converged infrastructure. Anyone interested in cloud computing, virtualization, and modern IT technologies. If you are ready to stay ahead of the curve and boost your job prospects in an increasingly competitive industry, this is the chance you have been waiting for. Let me give you an understanding that what you are getting over here. Nutanix is providing the limited period of offer to get your free certification voucher for the examination known as NCP-MCI, which is Nutanix Certified Professional Multi-Cloud Infrastructure. To get the free certification for this examination voucher, what you need to do, you need to come to this learning plan. You have to enroll to this learning plan. If you come here, this is the learning plan. You need to enroll here and then you need to complete all these required modules. Once you complete all these required modules, you will be awarded with the free certification voucher for this examination. Once you pass upon your examination, you will receive this badge at your Credly account. And please note that Nutanix University or any Nutanix certification is accessible with business email only. That means if you are a student and you do not have any business email, either your college email as well, so you cannot log in or you cannot sign up for this. It is specially for only the working professionals. So please, if you have the working email ID, then only you can apply for it. That is it. I will be giving you all these links, all these things over on my description box. And just to make sure that the enrollment opens on 10th of the December, that is yesterday. The enrollment close will 30th of the April 2026. We have a time, but please try to complete as soon as possible. And it says that the deadline to complete the examination as well as the course is June 30, 2026 or the 3 months after the enrollment, whichever comes first. So please read out everything. I will be sharing you the link, both of the link, and you can go through all those details and go with the option 2, which is mainly free, because option 1 is asking for the $500. So go with the option 2, which I have shown you. So you can go with the option 2 and you can get the complete certification, course, everything free of cost. Any doubt, any concern, feel free to comment down. I will be sharing you my Instagram handle on the description box. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like the video. If you like this video, please feel free to click the like button. If you have any concerns or any questions, suggestions, anything, feel free to drop a comment on the comment box. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I generally come up with free certification alerts, free courses alerts, and free educational resources. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much.